So today I'm getting some birch ready for bowls, and one of the main bowls I sell as a little side business are salad bowls in the 12 to 16 inch diameter range. And I've taken these logs here, that's about a 16 inch diameter, this one's a little over 12, and I set them on my mill. It's a pretty primitive manual old mill, but it does the job. And I take a 1-inch board out of the middle. There's the 3 that I've done so far. I've taken a 1-inch board out of the middle, and it usually cracks right here. It's got the pith in it, and it's difficult to get it straight enough, so sometimes the pith is going to wander. You just do the best you can, and the shorter length the better. On a long log you're never gonna have it centered. Anyway, those are very useful. This is dead vertical grain birch here. It's great for kitchen utensils. And so let's go over to the mill. I thought I'd share this. I was getting started on this log, and so what I got going here is I have a horizontal line that roughly is symmetrical with a potential bowl out of a half a log, and I put it on the mill, and I make an effort to get the pith the same exact distance off of the table. Then I'll go a 1/2 inch below and a 1/2 inch above, and that's one of the planks I just showed you, and the rest will be cut into lengths and for wooden bowl blanks. So let's get started. I'll get you over, maybe over here. We'll fire this mill up and make a cut. So there's the center cut board, 15-inch, and the half logs are about the same. So, you know, there's some problems up in here, but I could get a bowl out of there, 1, 2, 3 or 4, 3 or 4 out of each side. Okay, the first step is, see how wide it is, 11 and a half, no sense making it any longer, 11 and a half. Square this across, and then I find the center. And normally I'd do a batch of these, but I'm going to take this over to the bowl machine to show you what fun this is. And I drill in, this is a it's in 64ths, it's like 57 64ths. that's a 10-inch bowl. And you can see that everything is exactly the same size. My customers know what to expect. I can make smaller bowls, but that's the smallest I usually go. And then I have knives up to 16 inch. And they're all spaced accordingly to leave enough thickness to so that when they dry, you can still get a round bowl out of it. Well, there you have it. It's pretty crude, all built out of scrap I-beam, a couple different I-beams, channel, piece of diamond plate, spare knives go there, and down in here got a couple more inside. The knives are still a work in progress. I still have some sizes I want to make. I got a wrench to take this off, and I just fashioned that after a great big oil filter wrench. It's pretty beefy. That little compartment there is to store the the wrench. This is a brake off of a 2004 Polaris snowmobile. Lawnmower cable. Harbor Freight Predator motor. And when I got it done, the Harbor Freight exhaust wouldn't fit on there, so I just adapted it to that generic straight muffler, made a little header pipe. So there you have it. All in all, it's a lot of fun. So I'm going to get after it. I got probably 4 or 5 bowls out of that. And once I get these smaller ones done, then I'll get up into the 12 and 16 inch. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'm not real prompt on getting videos out on time, but they are coming, so you might consider hitting that bell, and you'll be notified when I do come out with another one. So hope you got some entertainment out of this. We'll see you on the next one. She said, just get me something.